Welcome back to the Indeed SEO channel, where we help businesses grow in this digital world. If you're looking to supercharge your SEO strategy with cutting-edge AI tools, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the top AI SEO software tools on the market and, at the end, revealing our top 2 picks that can take your SEO game to the next level. Let's jump in. 1. ChatGPT. First up is ChatGPT. Now, you probably know ChatGPT for its conversational abilities, but did you know it's a game changer in SEO? With AI-driven content generation, keyword research, and even answering customer queries, ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can enhance your SEO strategy, whether you're creating blog posts, product descriptions, or FAQs. Top feature: content generation and keyword research. ChatGPT helps you generate SEO-optimized content and find relevant keywords effortlessly, streamlining the entire SEO process. 2. SEMrush. Next on our list is the legendary SEMrush. This all-in-one SEO tool uses AI to provide deep insights into keyword research, competitor analysis, backlink tracking, and site audits. It's trusted by SEO professionals worldwide and offers a wide range of features to boost your website's rankings. Top feature: SEO content template and keyword research. SEMrush's AI-powered tools help create content templates based on keyword research and competitive analysis, ensuring you're on the right path to ranking higher. 3. Market News. Up next is Market News, an AI-powered platform designed to elevate your content strategy. Market News uses AI to analyze content, provide topic recommendations, and help you optimize for both relevance and searchability. It's perfect for those aiming to create high-quality, authoritative content that stands out. Top feature: content optimization and topic discovery. Market News offers data-driven content optimization, helping you target the most valuable topics and optimize for top-ranking keywords. 4. Frase. Moving on to Frase, an AI tool that helps create highly optimized content briefs and answers questions directly from search engines. Frase is known for its powerful AI research capabilities, which help marketers and businesses create content that is both keyword-rich and search engine-friendly. Top feature: content brief generator and AI research. Phrase's AI research capabilities give you a detailed breakdown of top ranking pages, guiding you in creating optimized content that will rank higher. 5. Shopify Magic. If you're running an e-commerce business, Shopify Magic is a must-have. Shopify's AI features assist in creating optimized product descriptions, keyword targeting, and even handling customer queries, making it a seamless addition to your online store's SEO efforts. Top feature: product description generator and customer insights. Shopify Magic uses AI to generate SEO-friendly product descriptions and assist with understanding customer behavior, helping you increase conversions. 6. Yext. Next up is Yext, an AI-powered platform designed for local SEO. Yext helps businesses improve their local search visibility, manage online reviews, and optimize business listings across multiple directories, ensuring you're easy to find for local customers. Top feature: local listings management. Yext automatically updates your business listings across hundreds of platforms, ensuring consistency and improving your local SEO performance. 7. Ally AI. If you're focused on technical SEO, Ally AI is an AI tool built specifically for website optimization. Ally AI automates tasks like site audits, technical fixes, and on-page SEO optimizations, saving you time and improving your site's performance. Top feature: AI-powered technical SEO. Ally AI handles complex technical tasks like URL optimization, meta tag generation, and more, making it a great tool for website owners looking to improve performance. 8. Localo. Finally, we have Localo, a tool dedicated to improving your local SEO strategy. It uses AI to track local search performance, optimize your local listings, and improve your website's presence in local search results, driving traffic from nearby customers. Top feature: local SEO tracking and optimization. Localo tracks your rankings in local searches and helps optimize your Google My Business profile, increasing your visibility for nearby customers. Now that we've explored the top 8 AI SEO tools, you might be wondering, which one should you choose? Here are our top 2 picks. SEMrush, for its comprehensive set of tools, including keyword research, competitive analysis, and content optimization. Frase, for creating optimized content briefs and making your research process more efficient with AI-driven insights. Both of these tools are perfect for anyone looking to improve their website's SEO and drive more traffic with AI-powered technology. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Indeed SEO for more digital marketing tips. Let us know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try, and we'll see you in the next video.